Alright guys, we're on this Ryan Gill, pick 1, 728. We're going to go live. We are live, if I can type. Here we go. 728, 728, grab the list. 23 spots at 6. 23 at 6, top spot picks 1 of the 4. Alright, we're going to drop it in. 23 entries, Brian on the bottom, Joe Bold up top. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 11's good, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times, dice is an 11. Next click, top spot. And 11, Brian Williams, spot 23. You are the winner. Get in touch with Guild, collect your bauble, 729. We will type done. We are done. 729, 729. Here is timestamp and verification.